Guys, ito yung na-research ko sa almond benefits pala. Ito. Contents of healthy fats. Fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin A. The health benefits of almonds include lower blood sugar levels, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. They can also reduce hunger and promote weight loss. Evidence-based benefits almonds. Ito yun. Kailangan 23 almonds a day when compared to 3 higher fiber, calcium, vitamin A, riboflavin, and niacin. Just remember 1, 2, 3 and ones of almonds or almost 23 almonds nuts in their daily proportion recommended by the dietary guidance. So what happened? Eating almonds helps to lower levels of the bad kind of cholesterol called low density lipoprotein and increase levels of the good kinds high density lipoprotein in HDL. Almonds also have anti-inflammatory properties to help protect you from heart disease. Talaga. What is the best to eat almonds? In the morning. Okay. Consuming almonds in the morning can help to provide sustained energy through the day. They can be added breakfast cereals, oatmeal, smoothies of 18 order on before a workout. Eating almonds before a workout can provide source of energy and help to fuel the body during exercises. Okay. Are almonds good for skin? Tingnan natin. 2B vitamins contribute to the maintenance of normal skin. Almonds offer 25% of the daily value for riboflavin and 6% of the daily value for niacin. Almonds are a high source of copper, which plays a role in skin and hair pigmentation. Linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid, helps prevent skin dryness. It's 5 almonds a day enough? Expert recommended 20 to 23 almonds per day for adults, while excess intake can lead to vitamin A toxicity, weight gain, kidney stones, and hidden nutrients. Weight gain to kidney storage side effects that eating too many. However, in India, usually 2 to 5 soaked almonds are recommended to consume in a day. In Ayurveda, almonds are considered to have warming infection on the body. How many almonds a day are enough for an adult? What is the healthiest nut to eat? Most upper to regenerative healthy, but health is sometimes energy healthy nutrients than others. For example, walnuts contain high amounts of omega-3 fatty acid. Almonds, macadamia nuts, hazelnuts, and pecans also appear to quite heart healthy. Nuts and your heart. Eating nuts for heart health. Mayo Clinic. When not to eat almonds? When? Kanusa ka daw hindi kumain ng almonds? Almonds can be harmful if you're allergic to nuts. Even a small amount can cause severe allergy reaction to its best of avoid them entirely. If you have any nuts allergies, what is the best protein to eat? The American Heart Association recommended choosing healthy source of the proteins, mostly ano daw? Nawala. Fish and seafood. Regularly eating fish and seafood. Substituting fat daily free and low fat dairy product in place of full fat version, and for people who eat meat on poultry, choosing those not are learned and approved. Picking healthy proteins. Well, absolutely yes. Almond oil helps shed moisture hair and hair cuticles and help replenish the healthy oil in the scalp. Does not eat which beneficially for dry hair. Can I drink water after eating almonds? Can I drink water after eating almonds? Drinking water after eating almonds is perfectly fine and can aid in digestion. Can soak almonds overnight. Okay. Pwede pala siya ibabad for the overnight. How many almonds should eat daily for weight loss? Can we drink after eating almonds? Avoid drinking water immediately after eating almonds to reduce the change of oils response within the food pipe. Can we drink water after eating almonds? Their low glycemic index is a plus of bedtime snacking, since blood sugar spikes or dips in the middle of the night can cause sleep disturbances. Sleep hurt with benefits of almonds. Does not give to eating about 23 almonds before bed can signal your brain that it's time to calm down. Those nuts give me 25% and women 31% of daily manganese needs. How trouble sipping 8 foods? Which dry fruits is best for weight loss? 7 best nuts and dry fruits to help accelerate your weight loss journey. Almonds are a great source of protein and health fats, which can help to produce hunger and keep your feeling full. Pistachios are another excellent source of protein and healthier fats. Cashews, walnuts, prawns, dates, raisin. Weight loss tips or how to dry foods. Does almonds lighten skin? Does sweetened almonds oil lighten skin? The answer is roaring yes. Almond oil helps is lighting dark spots, dark circles, hyperpigmentation, which may be caused due to stress, aging, or environment factors, and makes your skin appear lighter and brighter. Okay. Can I eat almonds without soaking? Soaking almonds is necessary. You can still receive the health benefits of eating almonds without soaking. Then first, Soaking almonds before eating are benefits. The skin of almonds is difficult to digest, and therefore Ayurveda recommend soaking the almonds and feeling the skin to remove the digestibility of almonds. Almonds filled and filled with which nuts are best for the skin? Consuming nutrient-rich nuts like walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, pistachios, and cashews can help these nuts high in omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin A, selenium, zinc, and antioxidant protect skin, reduce oxidative stress and implementation support in immune system and aid the healing process. Ganun ba? How long to soak almonds? Overnight nga. How to soak almonds? Place almonds in a bowl. Add enough warm tap water to fully cover. Then and sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of salt for every 1 cup, 140 grams of nuts. Daw? Kailangan na please almonds in a bowl and enough warm tap water to fully cover, then and sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of salt for every 1 cup, 140 grams of nuts. Cover the bowl and let it sit on your countertop overnight or for 8 to 12 hours. Drain and rinse. Pat the almonds dry using a clean paper towel. Can eat almonds every day. Just remember, 1 to 3 and ones of almonds or about 23 almonds nuts is the ideal daily protection recommended by the dietary guidance of Americans. Eating 1 or 2 handfuls of almonds per day can lead to mild reduction in LDL bad cholesterol, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. How to eat almonds for glowing skin? Overall, consuming regularly can benefit your skin by providing hydration, antioxidant protection, collagen, support, moisturizing. Soaking almonds in water overnight makes them easier to digest. This is the body used to the nutrients and almonds better for skin health. How to eat the growing to tips. What is the most unhealthy nuts? Too much of this can contribute to raise cholesterol levels. Hindi pala ganda. Hindi pala pwede. Brazil nuts, cashews, and macadamia nuts are higher in saturated fat. Too much of this can contribute to raise cholesterol level, so only eat them occasionally. Chestnuts are an exemption. They are lower in all types of fats and higher starchy carbohydrates than other nuts. What is the healthiest fruit? 12 most nutritious fruits: lemons, strawberries, oranges, limes, grapefruits, blackberries, apple, pomegranate. More items. Avocado. Dates good for dates are healthy substitute for white sugar and recipe due to their sweet taste, nutrients, fiber, and antioxidant. Its proven health benefits for dates headline promotes oral health. Eating dates regularly is also beneficial for protecting and improving the strength of the tooth enamel, and it also helped in reducing how many dates should eat a day. 18 benefits. How many dates to eat a day? So if you want to snack on something healthy while also keeping your cholesterol in check, consider adding dates in your diet. Having 5 to 6 dates per day is enough for your health. Remember, since it has some amount of sugar added, don't have them in excess as it can lead to high sugar level and diabetes. Cholesterol and dates. How many dates should you eat a day? Can eat almonds a night? Pabalik-balik naman to. Eating 12 almonds before bed can signal your brain that it's time to calm down. Does not give men 25% having trouble sleeping. Ano to? Cholesterol na to. Cholesterol and dates. How many dates should you eat a day to reduce the levels? To reduce the levels of the cholesterol. Dates have no cholesterol and only a small amount of fat. So if you want to snack on something healthy a while, also keeping your cholesterol in check, consider adding dates in your diet. Cholesterol and dates. How many dates should you eat to reduce your dates are considered high in nutrients and protect the body from variety of disease. They consist of beneficial elements such as minerals, sugar, calcium, iron, and potassium. They contain antibacterial properties and promotes energy circulation in body throughout the day. These are a type fruits that I like plants products. Is a cholesterol free because cholesterol is one found in animal foods like meat, butter, and cheese. Replacing animal-based snacks with dates in your diet may help keep your arteries clear. Dates are one of the most nutritious foods on planet. They provide miraculous benefits in treatments of variety of health conditions such as heart disease, high blood pressure and cholesterol, stroke, and so on. Do dates lower bad cholesterol? LDE or bad cholesterol can be easily treated with this food. They are also clean to the blood vessel and keep fats from attaching to the heart and causing blood clots. Including dates is a small amount in your daily diet can help you maintain a healthy cholesterol level. Dates contain no cholesterol and very little fat. Dates can also help prevent stroke, atherosclerosis, and high blood pressure. Also read this one. Discover the viral benefits of adding lemon to your diet. This contains no bad cholesterol. Dates contains vitamins and minerals such as zinc, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which nourish the body. Zinc helps in insulin production while magnesium serves in blood sugar. How much dates you have? Dates have no cholesterol and only a small amount of fat, so we can snack on the ways of helping cholesterol check. Remember, since a month. tayo sa almonds na. Almonds health benefits brain functions. Improves cognitive, improves cognitive performance and memory. Anti-aging, reducing wrinkles and pigmentation, increases hydration. Weight loss decreases body mass and helps suppress appetite. Mood boosting, lowers stress and boosts mood. Heart health, lowers cholesterol and risk of heart disease. Gut health, increases quantity and quality essential calories. Supporting spirit of almonds. Lower cholesterol, improves brain power, strengthens bone and teeth, prevents birth defects, remedy for anemia, great for skin, treats hair problems, energy boost. Talaga? So, need ko talagang kumain ng almonds. Make daily breakfast healthy. Benefits of soaked almonds: help with weight management, improves digestions, good for the time for pregnancy, improves brain function, promotes heart health, boosts energy, treats diabetes, improves blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, treat constipation, fight cancer, good for the skin, reduce hair fall. Okay. So, kailangan nating mag-soak ng almonds. Nag-soak tayo ng almond. 13 soak almond benefits that can turn your life. Written by Cannabis. So, from cashew to pistachio, nuts are snackable, lead to good health, and provide plethora benefits as well. But the way you can consume your nuts is also important. For instance, dry nuts have their own benefits and soaked ones have their own. Here we will be talking about soaked almond benefits. We all know that almonds benefits eyes, brains, and many other body function, but how exactly do soaked almonds elevate our system and our way to living? Most people prefer to consume roasted in either roasted or raw form, but consuming it as soaked form is also quite beneficially. One should develop the taste for it. It offers many benefits ranging from good digestive system to even fighting cancer-causing agent. Soaked almond benefits are many owing to rich contents or vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Is this article we will be taking all about the benefits that these soaked nuts have to offer, how to soak them best, and a lot more. What makes them better than raw ones? What is the best way to soak almonds? What are the benefits of soaked almonds? What makes them better than raws? First things first, why are soaked almonds better than the raw ones? The most basic reason is that soaked almonds are bitter in taste and texture because the soaking softens the outer layer and texture of the nuts, making it easier to eat. Okay, especially if older people or younger kids are having it. The outer brown covering of almonds contains phytic acid and tannins. Soaking almonds ensures that these two anti-nutrients do not interfere with the soaked almonds of the taste bitter owing to the fact that the outer and bitter layer is removed. All in all, it is better to have soaked almonds over raw ones any day, whether it comes to bitter taste or even bitter nutrition. What is the best way to soak almonds? Soak almonds is an easy process. All you need are a couple of almonds and a bowl of clean water. Method: take the almonds in a bowl. Add water so that almonds are completely submerged. Let the almonds be soaked for at least 8 to 12 hours or overnight. Drain out the water in the morning. You can either consume the almonds with the raw, now softened skin, or remove the skin. Dry the almonds using a paper towel. The best way to ensure you get the benefits of soaked almonds is by taking them on an empty stomach in the morning. Okay, you can even soak almonds in milk if you want more nutritious. Okay. What are the benefits of soaked almonds? Benefits of soaked almonds is help with weight management, improve digestion, good for the time to pregnancy, improve brain function, promote heart health, boost energy, treat diabetes, improves blood pressure levels, reduce cholesterol levels, treat constipation, fight cancer, good for the skin, reduces hair fall. Okay. So benefits are better than raw. All almonds, not only in terms of taste but also because it does not have the outer brown covering which has anti-nutrients that counter the nutrients. Within, if you want to consume almonds daily and benefits from the nourishment, the content, we would strongly suggest that you go for the soaked version over the raw or roasted ones. Let's take a look at all the benefits that soaked almonds have to offer. We suggest that regular consumption of soaked almonds elevates metabolism and thus helps in weight loss and management. It helps reduce the bad cholesterol content in the body and serves as low-calorie snack, filling the nutrition requirements and avoiding obesity. It also helps reduce the water weight and fat mass in the body. Another aspect where having soaked almonds is quite beneficial is digested. Having soaked almonds assists the whole digestive process. This is not the case when you have raw almonds, where the outer hard layer is difficult to digest. Soaked almonds release a lipid breaking enzyme called lipase that is known to work on the fats prevents in food and thus help the body digestive system. Many doctors suggest the consumption of nuts during pregnancy. Cashews and pistachio are common preference, and soaked almonds also the less. This is because almonds are a great source of folates, which generates hormones that all natural labor. Further, it also ensures that the baby is born healthy by doing away with rest salts and contain health effects and neural tubes. Even agoy nangalay ng kamay nako through road to our research participants of the consumption powder or the nutrients is increased. Parang ano siya sa utak, no? So, almonds are great source of carnitine that helps promote new brain cells. These nuts are also rich in phenylalanine that is known to improve memory and overall cognitive function. Further, the presence of vitamin A and B6 makes sure that there is an enhanced bioavailability of protein to the brain cells. Another aspect where almonds is the presence of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and studies suggest that both have benefit to brains develop. Soaked almonds enhance that better and help your body absorb the nutrients better. Almonds are rich in potassium, protein, and magnesium that are great. That's a good and healthy heart. When you soak almonds, it retains the goodness of these nutrients. However, there is still rates going on the probes the same. Ay, nangalay ng kamay ko. Ay, nangalay ang kamay ko. Soaked almonds are great source of potassium. Aroy, nangalay talaga ang kamay ko. Ay, hindi ko makaya ang 1 hour talaga. Gusto ko talaga 1 hour. I-upload to 1 hour. Soaked almonds are great source of potassium and riboflavin that enhance the body metabolism and boost energy levels. This is particularly good if you are a person who loves workout. Almonds are also good for regulating blood sugar levels and thus in some way preventing diabetes. It known improve glycemic control as per studies. Almonds and mostly soaked almonds are low on sodium and high on potassium. This is makes them good at regulating blood pressure levels. High blood pressure is often associated with a plethora of issues, even serious ones like a stroke. Regular consumption of almonds prevent that and even reduce the chance of having a artery congestion. Is the cholesterol level. Soaked almonds are a great source of monounsaturated acids. This in turn lowers the bad cholesterol levels in your blood. Further, the vitamin A content in almonds is also good for fighting bad cholesterol and releasing the levels of good cholesterol. Potassium and magnesium. Potassium and magnesium are also good to controlling the cholesterol in the body. Uy, ang tagal pa ng isang oras, 30 minutes pa lang. If you consume soaked almonds regularly, it easier your bowel movement, thus making digestion and smoother process. The insoluble fiber contains puts pressure on the stool and help in easy passage. This help relieve all two conditions such as constipation. Phytic acid. Ano kaya yung phytic acid ha? I-search ko muna yan. Has antioxidant properties that are known to prevent cancer. As per studies, soaked almonds are a great source of this and thus help in fighting cancer. Having soaked almonds regularly is also good for the hair. Not only does it prevent hair fall, but it also boosts pressed hair growth and straighten the crescent hair. Further, you can even nangalay na talaga yung kamay ko. Paano to? Ano daw? You can straighten the 16 hair. Further, you can even make almond paste and add it to your hair pack. Ganun, to get deep conditioning. Just mix the almond paste with olive oil and this is will reduce. Ganun. Sige. Regular consumption of almonds prevent aging. Further, the almond paste, paano pag nagawa ng almond paste, can be applied on the skin to do away with the sign of premature aging. This is due to the presence of vitamin A and additional. Ano daw? Wala na, tapos na. Hindi talaga naabot ng isang oras. Wala na. Read more daw, read more. Antioxidant, be beautiful, regular consumption. Be a beautiful, regular antioxidant. Uy, paano pa to? Wala naman. View all. Raw almonds. Mahal naman to. Ano to? 40 minutes pa lang talaga. Gusto ko talaga siya maging 1 hour. Support heart. Prevents fermentation sa knee. Improves gut health. Regulates blood sugar. Enhance cognitive function. Strengthen muscles. Improve bones and teeth health. Helps manage. Pwede, sarap to sa bata. Ang ganda to sa bata. Talaga. 14. Itong 14. Minkal. Symmetry. Mental wellness. Muscle. Straighten. Reproductive. Ano yun? Iwan ko lang kung ano yan. Isi-search ko muna yan. Uy, ang tagal ba nag 1 hour nito? 10 health benefits of helps increasing brain activity, makes your heart active, lowers down high blood pressure, gives strength into your immune system, good for pregnant women, aids in weight loss, strengthen metabolism, good for skin and hair health, boosts bone and teeth health, lowers down bad cholesterol levels. Sa bad cholesterol level, ilan ba yung klase ng bad cholesterol? Cholesterol stop to. May ano yun, bad cholesterol at saka good cholesterol. Ilan bang Eat promising advances of eating soaked almonds. Ilan ba kasi ang dapat ibabad? Dapat 23. Ka almonds, Seymour. Mahal pa naman ang almonds. Ano pa ba dapat natin basahin, guys? Are soaked almonds good for health? Well, yes. Almonds are one of the most popular dry fruits and are used in various Indian recipes like gajar, halwa, badam pike, badam shake, and much more. These nuts are not only for garnishing, only favorite recipe. In fact, they are filled with essential nutrition. There also contain a good amount protein which can help with muscle growth and repair. Soaked almonds are also high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Some studies have suggested that soaked almonds may be even more beneficial than raw almonds, and soaked can be release some of the nutrients that are otherwise difficult for the body to absorb. This blog will focus on top 8 advantages of soaked almonds for your overall health. So continue reading to the more. Table of contents, top 8 advantages of soaked almonds. Where soaked almonds good for skin? Which the best time to eat soaked? The final question represents a stop. We all love almonds, whether in the forms of shake and other of the typings of the gajar, halwa, and with eating soaked almonds generally recommended to get the maximum benefits. So let's start by knowing the top 8 advantages of eating soaked almonds for health. Good for heart health. Maintaining your heart health is the most important things. As it pumps blood to different body organs, the advantage of soaked almonds for the heart is that they help regulate cholesterol levels. They reduce the level of low density lipoprotein, bad cholesterol, and increase the high density lipoprotein. Promotes weight loss. Weight management is another advantage of soaked almonds. You might be confused about how this high fat nut is good for weight loss. Well, that's not true because its high fiber and protein content solves this problem. Soaked almonds will prevent you unusual craving and make you feel full and satisfied for a longer time. It also overrates and promotes weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. Improves brain function. Number 3, it's improve brain functioning. If you want to improve your cognitive function, you must start eating soaked almonds. It contains phenylalanine, ay bulol, which can enhance your memory. They are also enriched with vitamins like E and B6 that reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. Okay. Disease and enhance the bioavailability of proteins in brain cells. It is also high in omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acid, which play a major role in strengthening brain power. Nahin mo na lang ipang power. Also red foods for improving memory. Treats constipation. Eating unhealthy can use trouble for you and stomach discomfort. It may also lead to constipation. To treat this problem, you can use soaked almonds. These are good at easing bowel movements and improving your digestion process. Also read constipation diet plan to boost energy. Soaked almonds are good and healthy and essential nutrients. They are loaded with high fiber and protein that provide you with energy for the day. They are also great source of riboflavin and potassium, which are known to improve the metabolism of the body. Ba't ang tagal mo nag 1 hour? Hangalay na yung kamay ko. Ano ba yan? Improve the metabolism of the body. Eating 4-5 soaked almonds every morning can complete your energy requirement for the day. 5 lang. Good for the digestion. The advantage of soaked almonds is not limited to the above mentioned problems. In fact, they are also good at easing the digestive processes. Actually, the high fiber content facilitates the digestion process and make it much easier to process further. Also, the process of soak the almonds releases the enzyme called lipase or lipase. I don't know how to read this one. Lipase, which is potentially breaks down the fat present in the food and improves digestion. Ay, ang tagal ba itong nag 1 hour? Ang sakit ng kamay ko. Okay, reduce risk of cancer. One of the best advantages of soaked almonds is their ability to fight cancerous cells within the body. These nuts are rich in phytic acid and are known for their cancer-related properties. There are also rich in antioxidants that protect against the oxidative Uy, unsa naman ka naman kadapit oxidative cells. Hindi man ko nagkape good. So you can also get this benefit by eating soaked almonds in the morning. Treat diabetes. Hoy, 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 hoy. Ano ba yan? Type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Diabetes? Anong diabetes? Diabetes? Ang kinangalay kasi yung kamay ko guys nangalay. Major health issue. Ay, 10 minutes na lang. Bilisan mo nga. There are major anxious facts by many individuals around the world. But what it will tell you the most effective yet natural remedy to prevent your sugar spike soaked almonds. Ano daw? Low glycemic index, which is 15, and it's advised as an excellent food supplement for people with diabetes. Almonds also contain a good amount of magnesium. Ano ba yan? Ay, magnesium, an important mineral that reduces insulin resistance. So, you can also eat soaked almonds even if you are diagnosed with diabetes. Are soaked almonds good for skin? The benefits of soaked almonds are not only restricted to the above mentioned issue. In fact, they are ideal for your skin health as well. Eating 6 to 8 soaked almonds daily in the morning can give you some of the best and most magical result for your skin and hair. Actually, it is possesses good emollient properties that can help improving skin tone and complexion. Not only this can also reduce the appearance of stretch mark and soothe the dry skin problems like eczema and psoriasis. The presence of retinoids and fatty acids are nuts. Ang nako 8 minutes na lang talaga. Tiny nuts and may also help reduce acne and dissolve excess oil in our fish, your face. Iwan ko. Additionally, if you have dark circle, you should eat them daily as the vitamin A content your smooth scars and repairs sun damage. Also read amazing benefits of almond with oil for face. It is the best time to eat soaked almonds, although you can eat soaked almonds anytime during the day. It's generally advised to consume them on an empty stomach, and that too is the morning. Actually, when you soak them overnight for 8 hours, then the outer brown lower of the almonds gets softened and the absorption of nutrients becomes easier. Not only this, soaking almonds overnight also inhibits the functions of anti-nutrients named tannins and phytic acid. The hydration also improves in taste of texture, so due to the proper absorption of nutrients, you can get the advantage of soaked almonds. So, nutritional value of almonds, you can fulfill your nutritional needs by eating just a few soaked almonds daily. They are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Plus, they can boost your metabolism and provide energy for the whole day. From 100 grams stock almonds, you can get the following essential nutrients. Ito, energy. Nutrient. Energy, 578 ano na siya? Ano man yung calorie? Protein, 21. Fat, 49. Monosaturated, ano na yan? Pagbasa na monosaturated. Polyunsaturated fat, 10. Basahin nyo na guys. Sugars, 3.9. Carbohydrates, 21. Grabe, ang taas, no? Dietary fiber, 12.1. Vitamins, vitamin E. Grabe, pinakataas ang vitamin E. Thiamine, B1, 0.2 lang. Riboflavin, 1.140. Niacin, pantotenic acid. Vitamin B6, ganti lang. Folate, 50, konti lang. Calcium, okay, 270 mg. Iron, 3.70 mg. Magnesium, 270. Ito. Ang phosphorus. Ang phosphorus, di ba? Phosphorus to sa kuan ka ng... Ano sa ganyan ng phosphorus, guys? I-search ko muna kung ano yung phosphorus. Potassium. Grabe, 490 mg. Potassium, 728. Zinc, 3.21. Another nutrients. Choline. Ano ba yung choline? Ano yung choline, ha? I-search ka muna. I-search ko muna yan. Betaine. Ano ba? Pagbasa ni betaine? Water. Ay, nako. Nangalay na. Ay, sakit ng alabag ako. Also read peanuts versus almonds. Which one is more beneficially? The final say, the advantage of soaked almonds are many, but all you need to take care of their quantity to prevent any side effects that are loaded with essential. Kaya nga, no, kailangan talaga kung sobra na, talagang hindi na siya, kailangan talaga may siya, 8, lang daw, 6 to 5, ibabad mo ang 4 to 5 na almonds, ibabad mo siya overnight. So, yun ang kakainin mo pagka umaga. Pag wala pang laman yung tiyan mo, yun ang kakainin mo. 5 almonds every day. Isok mo siya 8 hours or overnight. So, the advantage of minerals that can improve the functioning of the brain, heart, and digestive system. They can also support your skin and the heart. You can get the maximum benefits from soaked almonds on an empty stomach in the morning. However, it's advised that if you are diagnosed with any medical condition or any kind of allergy, you can consult your medical advisor to register doctor for more information on health-related topics. You can visit Tom Wow. What are the benefits of eating soaked almonds daily? You can benefit the following ways of the it. If you eat 4 soaked almonds daily, improves your memory power. It helps digestion. There are great chances to improve your heart health. It helps boost your skin health. How to soak almonds help kids. There are virus benefits of eating soaked almonds. Ang bata, pwede ba? It improves the immune system. How to soak almonds help kids? There are various benefits of eating soaked almonds. Improves immune system. It is good for enhancing brain function. It's good source of fiber and protein, thus providing energy for entire day. How many almonds are good to eat in a day? Almonds are good source of fiber, protein, and there are also high-fat supplements. It's recommendation not to eat more than 8 to 10 almonds a day. How many almonds benefits mean? Well, almonds essentially with soak overnight provide the best. Good for health, prevents constipation, reduces the risk of cancer, maintains the blood pressure. Is eating soaked almonds safe for women? Yes, eating soaked almonds is recommended for everyone to improve their health. Women can also add these nutrition nuts to their diet plan. Save to the benefits of eating soaked almonds. for women are almonds good, improving skin and hair health, maintenance the blood pressure, improve the bones, and it is good for the health lost. Hair loss. What happened if you soak almonds daily? What happened if you already soak almonds daily every day? You can boost your health and improving your brain functional health, but weight management and months more. Kaya nga, bye-bye. Thank you, Momo. Chup chup.